We're at Wigston. We've switched allegiances from Kettering to Wigston. And as we know, every test centre has an area where people go, oh my god, it's all... And Wigston has Pork Pie Roundabout.
It is quite pretty.
Yes.
Stuff.
There it is. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exits and 6 if you come back on yourself. It is marked up with paint.
Yes.
Which means it's not going to be intuitive to how you do roundabouts normally. If it was intuitive, you wouldn't need paint on the ground.
Yeah.
There's 2, 3 lanes going that way. So you've got a main road coming through there, which is the ring road, which goes into 3 lanes all the way around. You've got a main road going into Leicester, into the city centre, which is 2 lanes going around, and you've got 2 minor roads off to Wigston that way, and off down to Sparky sort of way, Aylestone I think it's called, down there. This is also, thing is, it's controlled by traffic lights, so there's no giving way on 1, 2, 3, 4 of the exits, and these 2, the minor roads, we just have to fit in with the traffic lights. When they go, both lanes go to red, there's a small gap for your opportunity to take it. So, if you understand what's going on, it's relatively simple. And the roundabout at the first exit left. It's really tight, that roundabout. It doesn't open till the last minute there. I would treat that one as a slow right down to first gear.
Okay.
And what you'll tend to find there, because there's traffic lights just down the road, cars will come through in a big phase of cars, then a block, gap, and then another phase of cars. So if you see one car, the chances are there's going to be quite a lot of cars. The only thing you've got to look out for then is the block, people coming in.
Yeah.
You can take the opportunity. Follow the road ahead first exit, please. So we're giving way to the right, aren't we? Yeah, good. Again, that doesn't open. That opens.
And also, I could see the boy in the bike. I wasn't sure if he was in the road or not. Just be wary around here.
Just extending your observations here. Move away up to the next roundabout. Just hit the first exit and follow the road. Now, the instruction from the sat nav and the exam is always first exit, follow the road. I think a left indicator is pretty useful. The people coming this way. Watch the curb on the left here, Eve. You're staring around again. Just get your composition. Just get your breathing sorted out. So at the roundabout, first exit, follow the road.
But I need to think less.
I think so. If you can benefit people,
yeah.
Certainly not going to mark you down for it.
No.
Right, looking early.
No,
can't go. They're going. He's going left. He should be going past you. There we are. Power right foot, really power it away. And get the indicator off early though, because it could be confusing there. So if you are going to put that left signal, benefit those people, make sure it's stopped straight away. So we're always just balancing up benefit, confusion, benefit, confusion. First exit, follow the road here, please. Make sure we check this bus. Let's see, is he going left? Yeah, good. Off we go. Now this one's a full-time bus lane, as you can tell, so you need to go adjacent to it. But we're going to take the third exit, following the road to the city centre.
Okay.
So which lane are you going to be in, left or right?
Left.
Brilliant. So you need ideally to come back into that lane, but you can take it from the second lane if you wanted to. But if it's safe to do so, check your left hand side, don't come across a solid line, whatever you do. Don't need, signal across left, but don't come across a solid line, check and bring it in there. Good. Let's say you could legitimately come round, but you do need to merge back in.
Yes.
But this side will feed 1, 2 and 3. So this is basically the same way around Pork Pie, whether you're going left, down to Foss Park, up to Aylestone, or into the city centre. It's going to stop there, changed it quite quickly. So you're not giving way to anything as such. Have the awareness of cars.
Yeah.
So really, it's just following road and doing a left turn, or left turn.
So following left, and then do I keep in left all the way through?
All the way, following the road round, aren't you?
That's first, second, third.
Just like any other roundabout.
Yes.
And makes it even easier. They've put paint in there for you to guide you around.
And I'm at the front of the queue.
Yeah, and you're at the front of the queue. Now what will happen here, that will go green, that will stagger, and that will go green. So there's no rush up to that. So moving on when it goes green. So no rush because that's still on red. And there we go, it changes now. I'm following the road round. Third exit, count them. 1, 2, signalling left, 3. Simply that. Be aware of cars on your right who are going to merge in for you. That are you happy? They do have to merge in with us because the arrow tells us that.
That's fine.
Very good.
Okay.
Now this is coming from Aylestone, and we're going to run it back as if we're going to go back to the test centre.
Yes.
So this one is the minor road, isn't it?
Yes.
So you're not going to have traffic lights.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now we're taking the 4th exit right. So we're going to South Wigston.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4th exit. 4th exit right.
No signal right.
Absolutely. You are. So bring yourself in there. You go. So aim for the keep left sign and down and peel around. Hang on, you haven't got any space yet, have you?
Oh yeah.
So you're going right. You're following it down and
where that
following
blue car is.
that blue car is. Yeah. No, you got the car prepared to go?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm just on a brake because it's slightly on.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. That's when you're using the handbrake, though, isn't it?
Yeah. Just need to wait for this stuff.
Yeah. So that will be stopped by traffic lights that side, and you've got a short time to get across. Don't panic.
Yes.
Here we go. Is it clear? Go, 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 go. Across to there. That's it. You're still signalling right. Actually, in fact, you probably don't need to now. Actually, cancel the signals. We're going to go. So this splits into 2.
Okay.
That's the first exit. That's the second exit. You're going to go down to there. You're not. We're taking the 4th exit.
So
but if you're taking the 3rd, you're going to take the right-hand lane. See the dotted line?
Yes.
You want to stay this side of it.
This side of that.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, you're going back down. That's it. Ready to go.
So what we'll do, I'll just talk this one through. The white car's taking the 2nd exit down the ring road. Our road peels into 2, if you notice. So the one on the left is the 3rd exit to Wigston. And we take this lane around to South Wigston. So you just go in the lane, just peel it around, taking the middle lane effectively, and just follow it back to the test centre. I would argue that is probably the hardest junction you do. So make sure you practice coming from Wigston Lane back to Saffron Lane.
We're going to go 3rd exit, which is the little stubby one at the top,
Yes.
which is there.
Oh,
So we're looking ahead. We've got 2 lanes here, haven't we? So come across to the right hand side because it's the 1, 2. Yeah, you want this one here. Now that is 2 lanes. This gets a bit complicated, this one. You're going to go, like we did last time, into the right hand lane. Is it clear to go? Have you looked early? We could have got that because you've got second gear there. Yeah.
And then this has become to a stop.
Down there.
Yeah.
Follow it round. Follow it round. We're taking that exit there.
Okay.
Okay, and if you're going to the city centre, it'll be the same lane, just go round to
Go
there.
round,
And if you're taking that exit, coming back, you go across to the right hand side and
Okay.
do the peeling around. So really, it'll be the same lane selection if you come from the one we came from originally. Let's watch your road position, Eva, a little bit there. Now we're going to take the 5th exit right back to the test centre. So which lane are we going to go
Right
to?
hand lane.
Yeah. So that, come across then. That's it. So those 2 basically goes to the 3rd exit ahead. So that will feed 1, 2 and 3. This will feed 4 and 5. Okay. Make sure your road position's just a bit spot on it. We're turning right though, aren't we? So what do we do? There we go.
It's going to be first.
So if your Fanny Hill starts, come find that bite. That's it. So you know how we came into it? We're doing the same principle here.
Yes.
It's joining the road, we just joined from there. So moved off, change gear. So don't be stary. So bring it round. You did it last time. Where did we go? We take we take the middle lane round. Get rid of the indicator. Now signal left. Keep yourself over, Eve. Look where you are against the relationship to that iron. So you're over that line a little bit. I'll be marking you down probably with a driver error for your road position there. It's a little bit tight on there. So really, if you're peeling off, your focus is that island.
On the island.
Get yourself around from out of harm's way. So really, it's the same kind of principle from both lanes.
Yeah.
Now notice, bus lane is full time.
Yes.
We're taking the 3rd exit. You'll be needing the left-hand lane.
Okay.
So what you don't do
Is going to the
is come over there.
Oh, because then it's double
Bring
marked.
yourself over a little bit.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on the left. You're going to be coming across. So bring
Where
yourself. Yeah. Now, do you want to rush up to a hill start, or should we just nothing behind us? So should we just keep it nice and steady?
Yeah.
What's on your left?
Nothing.
Okay, so you just bring it across. Signal left, bring it across, and get rid of the signal. So this feeds 1, 2, 3. This feeds the ring road.
Yes. Okay. And you can also go to
So
going back to
we're looking to get across the road and feed it back in again.
Okay.
Just from a slightly different angle than we did before.
So I'm taking the third
The
exit.
third exit where it says Fairfield Industrial Estate. Get your car prepared, we're all moving off. And this hill gets steeper and steeper up towards the where's let's see, we might get through in the phasing. Keep going, keep going, keep going. First gear's good at the moment. That's it. Oh no. Oh dear. Right, now get that handbrake on. Now, do you see? Get the handbrake on properly. Stay on the brake if it's quite steep, even first gear.
Yes.
Go and find that bike for me. Now, do you see where we're going? That left will go around there. The left lane,
Yeah.
where the blue car is, goes there. So we need to get into that middle lane
where
to
that
feed
truck
there. And those cars will be feeding across to the right lane to go to Foss Park.
Okay.
So you've got 1, 2, 3 options with 1, 2, 3 options.
Okay.
And also the fourth option round there, or if you're going down to Aylestone again, you just peel it round. Now that's gone red.
So
Oh, you got the biting point.
Yeah.
Come off the brake then. You're gonna need a lot of gas here to move off. Let's read that road. So keep that right foot where it is. Get your hand on the handbrake. You'll be taking it off, won't you? So build the gas. Off you go. That's it. Off you go. Very nice. Straight across to there then. Just straight across to there. That's it. Second gear. And then we same as it was before. Coming around. Keep going, Eve.
Yeah.
That's it. Signal
Oh,
left.
that's on the left.
That's it. Ring it around. I can't even see where that. There we go.
Okay.
That's my father. Just be careful there, 'cause that's
Yeah,
on
'cause
way. That lady was there as well. Fine.
Now, Eve himself didn't have quite enough time to finish off the 2 junctions we're about to do now. So as I say, here's one we did earlier with Rebecca and myself from a previous video.
The ring road, because
Yeah.
the spiral position is usually what gets people, isn't it?
It is. And also we've got to feed it in between the phasings here.
No lights.
So I'm taking the last exit, and each one's almost got a separate option. Now, if we were going second exit following the road ahead, that's quite simple. We just feed it round following the first or second. But if you're taking the third one here, we need to be on the right. Now, the third, 1, 2, third exit where we came from, and the fourth is fed on the same lane, although
Yes.
it really does spiral.
After the second exit, you need to be on the outside.
Yeah. Now we're going to take the last exit. Let's just keep an eye on these cars. And see, cars come around here very quickly. He's going down there, so that gives me a nice chance to come across there. And we come down to here. Now this is a good opportunity. So if I was taking now the third and the fourth down to Aylestone or the city centre, I spiral around on the left and peel round. I'm going fifth exit. I need to come to the right hand side here.
But then on approach,
It's the same approach when it splits, a bit like it did on the other side.
after the fourth exit,
Yeah. So we go around here. You can see how the left
watch the
side
line on the left.
would feed it there, and I'm coming round. And again, I could technically take that one on the second lane and peel in if I wanted to. Left lane, kind of gone options 3 or 4, and the right lane's options 4 or 5.
Yeah.
So you got his crossover in the middle there. So fifth exit right. He's got the same foot problem as the
Oh yeah. Perhaps he's got an achy leg.
achy leg, maybe, probably. Bring it around here. And then this time, you keep over to here and peel into this one there. So the same exit would feed that one or doing a U-turn on yourself. Alright, coming in here then, taking the fourth exit.
So what we're going to do here, through the gift of editing, we're going to speed it through because we're held up by the learner in front and the phasing of the lights didn't help us very well. So we've come into the right hand side against the roundabout, and we're in this lane. We're going to stay in this lane, spiral it out to the left, and you can either go left on that exit, or what we're doing is following it around to the city centre and peeling it off on the left-hand side there. You can take the right-hand side if you wanted to, but if you look ahead here, the road merges in to the left. I'd rather protect my near side.